Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Lyft AI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the registration process for Lyft AI, visit the official Lyft website. Look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter the password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. After filling out the required fields, click on the Continue button. You may need to provide additional personal information such as your name and phone number. Fill in the requested details accurately. Once all personal information is filled, click on the Next button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and find the verification message from Lyft. Click on the verification link provided in the email. After verifying your email, return to the Lyft registration page. Now, you might be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Review the terms carefully before agreeing. Continue by providing any additional information required by Lyft AI. This might include your location preferences and payment details. Once you have completed all steps, review your information for accuracy. Finally, click the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created successfully. Now you're ready to start using Lyft AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.